Hello and welcome to this second extra video for this week's YouTube tips for business. And in this video we're looking how to burn in subtitles to your videos so that wherever you upload them, the subtitles will still appear. To do this you'll need a free program called Handbrake, which can be downloaded from handbrake.fr. It's available for both Windows and Mac and also Linux. You'll also need a video file and an accompanying subtitle.srt file. I'm going to download mine from YouTube. So this is the video that I'm going to subtitle. I click on the Subtitles tab in the Edit menu. I click on the subtitles that I've published. I go over to Actions and I select .srt from the Download menu. That's downloaded. Let's go back to Handbrake. So I click Open Source. This is the file that I want to subtitle, so I click on it and open it. There's a whole bunch of settings here. You'll want to set your own video settings. I'm just going to choose very fast 576p25, which means that's a standard definition European PAL video, and then I click on the subtitle tab. I go over to this drop down where it says tracks, click on that and click add external SRT, and here's the SRT file that I've downloaded already from YouTube, so I just click on that and click open. And the key here is to check the burned in checkbox. Then I'm just going to name it something. You can type that in there, or you can click browse, choose where you want to save it, click save, and that's me done. So I just click start and the program will process through that video. So the video is exported and I've opened it here in QuickTime, and if I just scroll through you can see that the subtitles are now embedded into the video. And so it's ready to be uploaded to whichever social media platform that I now want to send it to, and those subtitles will be permanently part of the video. Thanks for watching. Please click above to subscribe, click over there for this week's main video, and click over there for a playlist of all the YouTube tips for business videos.